Hello friends, welcome to this channel. This is Chemistry Crafters with Bhavanu and I am Arun Kumar. Today we'll discuss about what is green chemistry and what is the importance of green chemistry. This is very important term for those who are working in chemical based industries and those who are doing chemical based business. Green chemistry is a big topic. We'll discuss in short. For any chemical process, we should not use unnecessary materials. In case of necessary materials, we should not use excess quantity. While choosing the necessary materials, we have to choose eco-friendly materials, eco-friendly chemicals. I mean, it should not affect our health or environment. And the method what we are adapting to execute the chemical process should be energy efficient. And one more point, during the making process or after the completion of making process, the wastage should be either zero or minimum. So these are all some of the extracts of green chemistry. We will try to understand green chemistry with one example. Just imagine we are manufacturing liquid detergent. As per green chemistry, we have to avoid unnecessary chemicals, unnecessary materials. In case of liquid detergent, the unnecessary materials are perfume, color, and tinopor. These materials are in no way contributing with washing performance. So we can remove it, we can avoid it as per green chemistry. And excess quantity we should not supposed to use. In case of liquid detergent, many people are using excess surfactants, excess builders, especially excess perfume, excess preservatives. These things are to be avoided. In case of food industries, for the purpose of manufacturing cool drinks, they are adding excess preservative, two times or three times the required quantity. So is it good for our health? Of course, it is good for the product, it is good for the sellers, it is good for the retailers. Is it good for our product? No. So, as per green chemistry, we should not use excess quantity. And another point is eco-friendly materials we have to choose. In case of liquid detergent, we have to avoid phosphates. All types of phosphates, whether it is STPP or trisodium phosphate, whatever it is, phosphates, borax, formalin, CDA. So the list is going on. So these are all not good materials, not good for our health, not good for our environment or anyone. So we have to avoid all these materials while formulating liquid detergent. And the method what we are adopting, it should be energy efficient. For the example, some people are using thickening materials in liquid detergent and they are dissolving thickening materials in hot water and then they are adding in liquid detergent. So just imagine here the thickening material is extra material and heating process is extra energy. So extra time, extra labor. So this is not actually the energy efficient method. And lastly, during the making process or after completion of the making process, the waste should be either zero or minimum. In case of liquid detergent, even for 500 ml liquid detergent, we are wasting one plastic bottle along with cap. So this is non-biodegradable. Good. We will try to understand this with one small calculation. Just imagine, in case of liquid detergent, as per green chemistry, we should not use extra materials. Just imagine we are avoiding color, perfume, and tinopor. So what will happen? There is no compromise in washing process, but we are saving the cost of these three materials and we are removing the three steps and also the time and labor. Apart from that, we are not making our environment more polluted, because these unnecessary materials during the rinsing process after the washing process will tend to deposit in our surroundings. So what will happen? That color particles and that tinopol, whatever it is, will deposit in our soil. So that is soil pollution. In case of perfumes, that vapors will be released in our atmosphere, that is air pollution. So only for one principle, one green chemistry principle, only for one product, this much of benefits are there. So apply all principles to one product and apply all principle to all products and throughout the country, throughout the world for next 50 years, next 100 years. This is the profit of green chemistry. It is very challenging. Even for big companies, they are not following all the principles of green chemistry. There are 12 essential principles in green chemistry. Even big companies, they are following selectively some principles which they feel it is making profit to them. So, for small scale business owners, it is highly difficult to follow all 12 principles in green chemistry. Just imagine I am making liquid detergent as per the green chemistry. I am not using color, I am not using thickening materials, I am not using tinopol, I am not using perfume. Then the quality will be like this. It is light brown color liquid with chemical smell. There is no consistency. The price is double the price of Ariel. Then is it possible for me to sell in market? Is it possible for me to get profit? So that is a challenging issue. So whenever it is possible, wherever it is possible, we can follow the green chemistry. But the trend is towards green chemistry. If not today means, or after 10 years, after 50 years, or after 100 years, we are going to reach green chemistry only. So it is essential to have an idea about green chemistry. So that is the purpose of this video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in our upcoming videos.